Alright, now you know that 70 Snore Rap Club is open, but we're not starting the beat yet. Just a few seconds. I'm coming to meet ya. I am the Snore Queen, the Snore Queen of endless numbers. I like the fact that you called me a Snore Queen. No one has rapture, but only me. Nobody's more rapture than me. You just want more replacements, do you? But fortunately, we only have 2 remaining. By the time it's May and I did all of them, those are the last ones, I'm afraid. If they're done by the graphics of the reactions, then that's when it ends. The Snore replacement saga will end. The saga has ended. The saga won't return. Unless you ask me for more characters. If those were your final reactions and you have none, then you run out. Hey, who are you? If you snore Hoyu, I'll owe you headphones. But if you snore Wafuchu, then you can't be my Snore King. Do you wanna be a Snore King? Of course you do. Then stand with me and dance. Queen. I am a Snore Queen. I'm a Snore Queen of endless numbers. I am a Snore Queen, fulfilled with rebel. I am the rebel queen of endless numbers. I am a Snore Queen that loves snorting whistles and nasal snores. How soft! And I typically avoid naughty snores due to rhinorrhea. That's gross. It's because of Yuri. Signora, no, I can't take it anymore. It's really cringe and it's so odd. I am sick and tired of these things. I wish they were removed from replacements. Hilarious snores were really funny. They got me dying because of laughter. Every time I hear this, would make me lose sanity. I am the Snore Queen that relies on snore effects. I just communicate with them. Why not? I just snore at the back. And that's why I rely on endless number 70 in the snores. Cause I'm a Snore Queen.